Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and confirming your One UI version, because menus differ across updates. Once ready, open Settings, tap Display, then Edge Screen. This takes you straight into Edge panel controls. You can also press and hold the translucent Edge handle on the screen to open the same settings faster. Do this now. It avoids wasted steps and gets you directly to the toggle and panel list. Once there, you'll be ready to disable the Edge panel feature. Now focus on the panel list. Tap Edge panels and review each entry. You can uncheck individual panels to keep specific tools, or flip the Master Edge panels toggle off to remove every panel at once. Make sure to also tap the small settings icon next to Edge panels to reveal the handle option. Disable Show Handle if you want no visual cue on the screen. Once you do that, the Edge will stop responding to swipes and the handle disappears, reducing accidental triggers and saving small bits of battery. Finish by exiting Settings and Testing. Swipe the screen edge where the handle was. It should no longer open panels. If you still see Edge behavior, restart the phone and recheck the Edge panels toggle. Sometimes changes need a reboot to apply. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps or open Edge panel settings and select Reset to Default. One key troubleshooting tip: if the toggle won't stick, update One UI or clear settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.